Hey guys, how we doing? Everybody's sending me messages on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I'm getting hammered with literally hundreds of questions every day, and it's always the same question, right? James, how do you make money on the internet? How do you travel the world? You've advertised that you travel the world for free. Yeah, because my internet business pays for all my travel. So I'll make like $5,000 and then I'll go visit another country. I'll hang out there for like 4, 5, 6 weeks, and then I'll make another $10,000 and then I'll go visit another country. And then I'll hang out there for like 2 weeks, make $20,000, and then I'll go visit another country, or I'll go back to somewhere I like the Riviera Maya, Mexico. That's where we're at. Or I'll make another $3,000 and I'll say, hey, let's jump on a little boat or grab a flight, and we're just going to head down to Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. We'll go to Santo Domingo, Punta Cana, hang out there for like 2 weeks, have some fun. But I work all the time. I work every day. You know, I go travel to all these beautiful destinations, but I also, hey, what the fuck, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. It's my amigo. And we'll make some money, and then we just travel. We travel all over the place. That's the ability you have when you run an online internet business. You make money worldwide. So I don't even use a bank account anymore. We use what's called a global wallet. A global wallet, it's kind of like PayPal, but it's better. You actually have a wallet on the internet, and that's where your money goes. All of my sales of the products that I sell all over the internet goes into a global wallet, and then I have like a credit card, a Visa card, a MasterCard attached to that global wallet, and it's just like a bank account. But it's better because I don't have to pay all the bank account fees, right? The banks suck. All they do is charge you fees and they pay you no interest. On my one global wallet, they're paying me 3.5% interest daily just to have money in there. So we sell products all over the internet, like on Amazon, ClickBank, all kinds of different places, affiliate marketing programs. I'm an affiliate marketer, that's what I'm called. I'm called a super affiliate because I do super affiliate marketing with a lot of different companies. In countries, sorry, many different countries with a lot of different companies selling a lot of different products. So there's about 5 different things I sell on the internet, 5 different businesses. Number 1, Amazon, and affiliate marketing. Number 2, ClickBank. Number 3, JVZoo, which I'm going to teach you all this in a video. I'm going to send you to watch this video here in about 2 minutes. But I want you to listen and watch. Look at all this. This is great. We're just walking down the street here. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, taking some time off, having a little fun. I just worked all day until about like 2 o'clock. So I get up in the morning, I work like 3-4 hours, sell some stuff. Hola, hola. And then we go have fun. I'll go work later when I go to bed. I'll work for like another, 2 hours, maybe 2 hours before bed. Run some more ads, drive some more traffic, sell some more stuff, make more money. And then, have fun. So that's what we do. So number 1, affiliate marketing. Number 2, the consulting business. People pay me a lot of money to teach them how to sell products on the internet, make a lot of money. And I have about 5 different programs that people buy. And number 3, we do real estate. Real estate is bought on the internet now, guys. You just buy it on the internet. You don't even have to go and visit the house. You just get the numbers, you look at the location, and if you can rent it out and make money every day on Airbnb, you rent it out on Airbnb. You make yourself 25, 35, 45%. We have one property, we're making 45% return on our investment every day. Daily, we're making 45% daily, man. This place rents out right on the beach here. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom penthouse. It's a $500,000 condo, and we rent it out every day on Airbnb for about $300 a day. A day. Add that up. $300 a day times 30 days a month. That's $9,000 a month just renting out one condo. Is that unbelievable? That's unbelievable. That's amazing. That's how you get rich, guys. So you get rich making money on the internet, then you take your cash and you buy real estate. You rent it out on Airbnb in the most #1 drop-dead gorgeous vacation spots in the world where people come from all over the world. That's why I'm here where I'm at. I'm in the Riviera Maya right now on the beach. The beach is 1 block away. We're going to the playa right now. We're going to the beach right now. So that's what I want to teach you how to do, okay? Make money on the internet, take the cash, put it into real estate, and retire rich. and travel the world. Travel the world. When you're making $50,000 a month, I don't pay for anything. I don't pay for shit. My internet business pays for everything. Here's a little fountain. Okay. We're going down here. There's a ferry. You grab a boat. There's a big ferry. It takes you over to this island where we go scuba diving. I don't know. We might head over there now. I'm not sure. But anyway, I just wanted to answer some of those questions. This is how I make the money. This is how I travel the world for free. My internet business pays for everything. I can set you up with anything you need, guys. Automated system that sells product. I sell glasses. I sell flip-flops. I sell clothes. I sell Rolex watches. I sell cars. I sell real estate right online, right on the internet. We're just going down here. See the horses? Nice little Mexican restaurant here. Kind of tells you where I'm at. All right, so click on the button right here. I'm going to put a button right here or right here. Go set up a free strategy call. So what I want you to do is step one, click on the button. It says set up a free strategy call. Number two, go watch my 20-minute free training. It's free, guys. And I teach you how to make money. You can take the system I teach you in the video and go use it. Go make your millions. Or if you want me to help you, after the video, click on the button below the video and go set up a free 60-minute complimentary strategy call. And either me or one of my top coaches, I got coaches all over the world, they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars every year on the internet, guys. They'll teach you. They'll talk to you for about 60 minutes, no charge, for free. Say, hola, hola, and they will help you. They will help you, okay? All right? So click on the button right here, subscribe to my channel. Go watch the training. It's free, guys. I set this up to help people make money on the internet. Oh, we got a wolf. Is that a wolf? Coyote? Coyote? Coyote, wolf? That's a beautiful German Shepherd, man. Mucho bonita. Beautiful. That's a beautiful dog. Look at that little guy. I could teach him how to make money on the internet. All right, click on the button right here, set up your free strategy call, and I'd love to help you guys. Seriously, it's complimentary. And if you want to talk, at the end of the video, click on the button below this video or below, above here. Say, hola, hola, hola. See, everybody's friendly here. Everybody's having fun. And go set up your free strategy call. All right, I'll see you soon.